Yo, what's up, guys? Today we have a Discovery things for the lounge. So today we're gonna check out Discovery, guys, and see how it is. It's been a while since I checked out Discovery lounge. So let's go for it. Let's get this video started. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So let's go. Welcome to Discovery Lounge, guys, and I'm with Shiloh. Anyway, let's go. Shiloh, we're in this. Yeah, in this. Shiloh. Hey, check. Yeah, it's so quiet. Don't make noise. Yeah, don't touch these. Don't touch. Hey. Yeah, don't touch it. Let's go sit down there. There. Yep. We're gonna sit down there. Yeah, there. Yeah. No. Wait, why don't you sit down? Here.
Have it there.
Where?
I will show you.
You tell me which one to sit down.
You shall show me.
Want to sit on the chair there? Want to sit in the chair? Oh, couch. What's up? Come this way.
This is a child.
Yeah. No, I can sit here. Yeah. Which one to play against? You can sit there. Yeah, sit there. Yeah. See, you're playing. See in this. In this. Yeah, not that. That's sauce. There's a sauce, a chili sauce and everything.
Oh, so everyone.
Charlotte, you want food in it?
I want to.
In a way.
My food.
You're gonna drop it.
Huh?
Don't drop it.
Okay.
Come back. Hey, what's that? Come. Hey, this guy. Hey, don't run. Okay.
Baba,
You want cake? There's cake.
It's this one.
Is it samosa?
Musulman, I put in bush. Baba, what is choose?
Do you want chicken?
No, yes.
Should I help you? Okay.
No.
I'll give you one wing. One wing.
The chicken is so well.
One wing.
Milk.
Okay.
Oh, what is this
Do you
one?
want cake?
No.
Oh, this is chips.
Chips.
Yeah.
Eat it chips.
I can put you chips.
Huh?
There's chips.
I can have many chips.
Do you want cake? This cake. See? There's cake. Do you want it?
Yep. I will get it.
Okay. Boss, let's go to the other side. Boss, come. Hey, you're gonna leave it there. Yeah? Yeah, I'll get you juice and water.
Okay.
Yeah. Which one cake? I get cake for you.
Baba, I want apple.
Which apple?
This apple.
Pick one.
Okay. It's yours.
Okay, let's go.
We're getting a waffle.
Yeah? In my way. That's yours. Okay. Okay, I'll stand there again, Sean. Hello. Come.
Apple so eat it.
Yeah, what? Guys, we got this for Sean. And noisy man.
The sofa.
Yeah. You remember? Let's go, guys. Yeah, you're sitting here. Yeah. Okay, time to get Shadow some juice. Crazy day. Yeah, we're in the lounge, guys, and our child is chaotic. But anyway, let me sort out my food here. I didn't check all the food, guys, but anyway, you saw that. Let me show you what actually we have here. Some meatballs here, which I want to test some, meatballs, and a bit of chicken. Yeah, meatballs, and I think I need like 1 or 2 wings. Yeah, 2 wings. Okay. So let's go check another one. Also, there's a waffle thingy here happening. And here, there's more. Oh, it's a veggie dish. Let's see what's in here inside here. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, I want to go. Okay, let's get 1 scoop. 1 tiny scoop. Just for tasting. Okay. Some pastries here. As you can see, it has more pastries you can ever think of. And I'll get Shiloh some of these ones later. Let's see. I think this is a soup one. Yes, it's a soup one. Yeah. Get 1 scoop of soup, I guess. Half a scoop. Yeah.
Yeah, no, exactly.
This on the side. Okay. Some beef.
Oh, which was very strange.
I'll get chicken.
On that profile, something was
Okay, a little beef. Which I saw beef through here. Just a bit.
Yeah. That's
Roasted veggies and rice.
cheaper excess. And there's a lot more upsell.
Roasted veggies. Okay, I'm gonna get some. How do you do this? Get some roasted veggies, guys. A bit of healthiness. Okay, I think we're balanced enough now. Everything is balanced. Okay, let's go sit up in our table. Then after that, you want to come back and get juice. Actually, I forgot my soup thing. I can get my soup now. So let's get some juice. I don't know which one is this, but I'm getting this one. That's what you call it, the edge of the juice. I don't know if we have a straw here or not. But I want this, does not have a lot of room. And also I'm going to take one of these. They look nice. Take a spoon also, it looks nice. This is like dessert. I'm sure Shai will like it. So let me get that also. And yeah, let's go. So guys, our view for today. And I got Shiloh on the lounge, guys. Discovered lounge. And yeah, having some food, guys. This is like a quick one, very healthy. And this is me and Shiloh. This is mostly me. That's Shiloh and all of the sweet stuff and apple, you know. And yeah, that's me also double Jameson as usual. And this guy. Trying to eat apple. Good luck. And yeah, the view is nice, guys. The view is nice. Anyway, let's enjoy. Look at this guy enjoying his juice. And also he must finish his snacks now. Why are you eating? Did you enjoy ice cream? Did you enjoy ice cream? Okay, now it's finished. Yeah, but anyway, let me enjoy my drink also. While he enjoys his. And that's samosa. No, you don't crack it, you bite it. Yeah. Bite it. Yeah, you bite it. Yeah, bite. Bite hard. Alright guys, getting kids in the lounge. But anyway, this is having fun and also it's getting dark outside. Hey, look at that. Hey, wait. Turn left.
Huh?
Sam. Wait. Sharp. Wait. Wait. Okay guys, This is a nice business lookalike. Yeah, this lounge is more business. And then there's also private rooms. That's stuff here. What's up? Stop hiding. Cheers, guys. Sandra. Let's go. Huh? Wait. No, here. Yes, you're going here. Because it's hot. So we just finished lounge food. Food was nice at lounge. We just relaxed and I had a bit of drinks, but it was nice. So now it's time to go to the cage. Gonna look around and find our gig about the discovery thingy called lounge. It's always nice, guys. So let's check that. It's more businessy than other lounges. That's why I don't know. It feels weird when you come with Shiloh making a lot of noise and stuff. But yeah, I think this is our gate actually. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, Shiloh, come. We found our gate, guys. It's in front of us. There it is. Anyway, time for us to go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our nice small, we call it lounge enjoyment. That's what I call it, guys. There's nothing to review it there, but we just showed you our lounge, how it was, guys. Discovery lounge. Otherwise, we're out of here. Goodbye and have fun. Goodbye.
Fly Sapphire snack vouchers, credit and debit cards, and contactless tap-to-pay payments. Unfortunately, we do not accept cash. We remind you that the consumption of your own alcoholic beverages is strictly prohibited. Kindly take note that all of our catering items are subject to availability.